All right, you need this to be successful with LiveGood. And it's pretty simple. You need consistency, and you need to have fun, and you need to want to make some bucks. You want to improve your health and wealth, kind of rhymes. And in my opinion, I think that you need help getting set up with a domain name, and I think you need help with a software program where people can just click, watch a video, and then go through the motions of following what the videos say. That's a lot, but it's all easy. Especially the desire to want to make money online, right? I mean, we all want to. We want to all be successful too. I mean, it's embarrassing when you put a lot of time and effort into something and you don't even get like $1 or $5 or $20 or $100. You do your best to try to make an online business work, and it just does not go anywhere. It seems like there's so much competition and thousands of people doing the same thing, and there's only like 3 people that are probably successful. It just seems that way, doesn't it? Well, you can be a part of the success. I've never seen a company that has had so many people get their first sale, their second sale, their 5th sale, their 10th sale on products that are wholesale with a membership. And it has nothing to do with being an affiliate. People are actually getting sales of the products with LiveGood because they're such a dang good deal. My friend that turned me onto this company, I couldn't believe how cheap I was getting the products. I really love protein powder, I love the organic coffee, and I love super greens and super reds. Okay, you guys can look at the products on another video. What I want to focus on is to be successful as an affiliate. I think not that we're going to hold your hand, but you just need to watch certain videos that take you on a journey. And at the end of that journey, I think it's going to increase your chance of success 1,000 times. Now, this is my opinion, disclaimer, because you can try a business just by watching some YouTube clips and maybe getting the best free advice that you can, and you can still go nowhere. You can have a badass website and watch 10 hours of things online that are supposed to attract people to come to your business to either buy something or maybe watch something. In this case, you're just trying to attract somebody to watch something. Okay, realize that. After that, there's nothing left for you to do except support people that do sign up with you. Just like if you sign up with me, I want to be able to help you get 2 people. Most of, in my opinion anyway, this company is kind of based on getting just 2 people aboard and helping those 2 people to come aboard, and so on and so on. And I know you can do it. Why? Because number one, this company is very, very affordable. Most people, when they do a business like this, they're scared to death. They're going to spend $200, $500, even $1,000 on product and the affiliate fee. And they're going to do the best they can over the next month or 2 to try to at least get their money back. Okay? With this company, you just need 2 people that have $10 a month. And then they want to be an affiliate, so it's only $40 one-time fee. Now, how you get your money back right away is $20 of that 40 go to you, and the other half go to the company. And out of the $10 a month, 5 go to you, and the other 5 go to the company. So 5 plus 20 is $25. Right now, if you got $10 a month plus $40 to be an affiliate, that's just $50. So your first 2 people that you sign up, you're going to already be at the break-even point. Now all you got to do is just sit back and please, every day, just watch video. Just watch video of what other people do to be successful with LiveGood. And it's basically posting with a purpose, making a video with somehow talking about a problem and solving that solution, and then the basic call to action. That's kind of the success of most YouTube videos. I got a headache, here's the aspirin, and this is how you buy it. It's kind of that simple. And if you're good at solving people's problems, of whatever that might be, you're going to probably increase your chance of success quite dramatically. So if you go ahead and join LiveGood in my group, all I can do is give you some tools and then a video on how to use them. Now, my tools for example, they're free. Okay? They're just examples of, and I can show you, because what they are is capture pages. They are pages where you just put your name and email address in, and then LiveGood goes ahead and takes it from there with interesting videos to teach said person, yourself, about the products, how much they are for wholesale, how much is the membership each month, $10 a month. They're $100 a year if you want 2 months for free. How much is the affiliate fee? $40 one time. That's it. If you want to consume and eat up and gobble the products, you got 90 days. And after 90 days, if you want your money back, get your money back. And if you enjoy the products, then buy them again. That's where I'm at. I actually go through the products sooner than every month. I go through the products about every 3 weeks. And I like that. So anyway, if you're interested in LiveGood as far as an affiliate, go ahead and just click the link below, joincorey.com, and go ahead and just fill in your name and your email address, and that's it. And from there, just watch some videos and make a decision. I want to show you the 3 capture pages that I want you to look at, because if you do join, I want you to make a decision to either keep this one here. Okay, this is a great capture page. Name, email, oh my God, let me in. And I want to go boating with this girl. And she needs to work on her tan. The only thing that cracks me up about this is she's like drinking a cool one, boating, but she has a tan like she lives in Alaska. So God bless her. I love that. Here is the #1 capture page by far with LiveGood as far as right now. And this is if you just want someone to sign up like yourself underneath you. So for example, you're signing up underneath me. This is the #1 capture page and by far the #1 program, easy commission, and you will get this free. You're going to watch videos on how to set it up. So when they click this, see it says lock in your spot with our team. When you click it, see it goes to your own capture page. Now this is the official one from LiveGood. This is where people, no matter what, have to put in their name and email address to reserve my position. That just means you're locked into the company. You haven't paid for nothing yet. And then if you want to go ahead and lock in, you just simply get your credit card out, pay either $10 a month or $40 one time, and that is it. Okay, so this is a capture page with LiveGood. You can use this software, and I call it the Easy Commission Funnel because that's what Jeff, who designed it, called it. So let's just call it the Easy Commission. And if you want probably a pretty girl with a tan like she lives in Alaska, even though she's on a boat in the sun, you can use this capture page. And this is another type of software that takes you on a journey. It teaches you some stuff, just like the Easy Commission. So out of these 3 opportunities, I think your chance of success is going to be amazing. Okay, those 3, LiveGood's capture page, the Easy Commission, and of course this one as well. They're all 3 extremely well made, and I think they kick ass. And then at the end of the day, you're just going to get your own LiveGood site like this, and you can check this website out way before joining. I want you to do that. I want you to look at the products, the pay, go through every single tab that you can on the left of my screen, and then you'll make a decision like, hey, the products are great, they're wholesale, they're very cheap, especially when you see the ingredients, because they're high end. This isn't like just crap that you get at a swap meter all $1. This is really high end quality health and wellness products. Okay, that's why I buy them. All right, you can always go buy multivitamins for male and female. You guys can always go buy protein, powder. This is vanilla, which is my favorite. Super greens, super reds. The coffee, the CBD oil is rock bottom. Every time I bring it up in my videos, I am now Mr. CBD oil of Salt Lake City, because now that my friends know that I get it wholesale, they freak out and they want me to sell it to them while I'm getting gas in one of my vehicles. And, amino acid that tastes like fruit punch. The factor 4 is just really high mega vitamins that I love. I take these every day. If you don't want wrinkles in your eyeballs, buy some of this. I got it by accident. The company sent me this product, And I didn't order it. It just came in the box. So whoever was doing shipping and receiving, thank you. But if I put this on my eyes, I kind of feel like I'm faking it to make it. Like, most people make videos and they bull crap about their income and talk about the great time they're having. In this case, I want to put this on my eyes and say I'm like 49 or 50. Or I'll even lie and say I'm 53. I'll do anything to shave off a couple years at this age. I get why girls do it when they're younger. Now that I'm going on 60, I'm like, God, I want to be known as 47. Maybe I'll dye my white beard. Maybe our company could come up with that fake looking hair dye that guys, or the shampoo. Remember, you shampoo your hair and your gray is supposed to go away. No, I ain't going to do that. All right. I hope you come aboard. If you do, I hope that you just look at the tools that I can give you and try all of them. Just activate all of them and start posting, hey guys, here's an opportunity. Just click this link. And I think between all three of those capture pages, either the direct one to LiveGood, the pretty girl on the boat, or the easy commission, I think you'll be able to decide which one kind of works best. Okay? And then after a while, you'll probably come up with your own techniques, because there's people that have been in MLM or this type of online earn money at home business for 20, 30 years. I know some of them because I see who's on the leaderboards and I recognize their names from 20, 30 years ago. So they have their own technique on getting people to sign up with them. But if you're brand new and you don't have any experience whatsoever, I would recommend those capture pages that I showed you, because they're really well done. They take you on a journey. They tell you what to do. And then if you do sign up, there's way more detail on how to post interesting things on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. There's a lot of ways to, post things where people come to you or your link and just say, hey, just give me some free information and I'll decide if I want to buy the products, if I want to be an affiliate, or just say, hey, thanks, but no thanks. And that's the best way. That way you're not over-explaining, getting a headache. You kind of feel bad because you're talking about the same products and the same opportunity every day, and then nobody signs up. You just feel bad and then you quit. Don't do that with this company. Make it fun. Post with a purpose. And I think you're going to have a good chance of success, because most people do have $10 a month and most people do have $40 to go ahead and start this business. So $50, business in a box, that's a dang good deal. I think if you take 4 people to KFC, it's more than 50. So, so anyway, why don't you make a couple bucks? Make $1,000 and then you can go to Kentucky Fried Chicken a couple times, because I think it's about $1,000 if you go 4 days in a row. That's for sure. All right, that's enough. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. JoinCorey.com. Link should be right underneath this video. All right, and right here, right where I'm pointing, there's probably another video about ready to pop up that you can watch anytime you'd like. All right, take care, guys. See you soon.